Hello everyone and welcome to a new Theana Production Blender tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to create those two adorable low poly traffic cone. This is fully beginner friendly, so let's get going. First off, we're gonna start by adding a circle. Then we add the amount of vertices we need. Then you just extrude with E, move up on the Z-axis, and then you extrude again and scale. Once you're there, you can extrude again at the height you want for your traffic cone to be, and then you scale. Here you'll once again extrude, scale inside, then you'll go on front view. There you will go on X-ray mode, you're gonna extrude again, and go down on the Z-axis. Once you are satisfied with the height of it, you just click and you're good. Now, from there, I'm gonna duplicate my model because I'm gonna show you two ways of finishing it off. First way is pretty simple. You're just gonna select the full circle of vertices at the bottom and press F to fill it. Now, for the second solution, it's gonna take a little bit more work, but depending on the outcome you want for it, it can be worth it. You're basically gonna go and manually close off the little sections. Next is material. What will our traffic cone look like? So I'm gonna go pretty basic with this one, but you can go crazy with it. The main idea is just to add one material for the orange color. I'm gonna be playing with the roughness and the specular highlights a little bit. So try to make it work, try to have something that you like. For the second one, I am gonna add two stripes on it for the more white parts of traffic cones. So for that, we go back in edit mode and we go Ctrl R once we have selected the full faces, and we place a few of them. Once there, we select the faces and we add a new material, which this time will be a more white grey one. Once again, you can play with the metallic, the roughness and the specular highlights, and potentially even make it emissive if that's what you are looking for. And this is how you have those two very basic, very beginner friendly, very low poly traffic cones. If you like this, please leave a like, comment, or subscribe to the channel. It helps support us and it's always appreciated.